happened to the National Action Plan, Mr. Speaker? What happened to combating hate speech and reforming our curriculum? What happened to no more good or bad Taliban? What happened to action against Punjab's Taliban? What happened to action against banned organizations? What happened to judicial reform? What happened to combating terrorist financing and terror-related money laundering? How is it possible that this House takes a unanimous decision and the state implements a diametrically contradictory policy of capitulation, appeasement, and so-called mainstreaming? This is not the policy of the Parliament of Pakistan, and this should not be the policy of Pakistan. What sort of sovereign country tolerates the existence of such organizations within its midst? One's own children are being butchered. How long must we let them fester? How is it possible? How is it possible that we hang elected prime ministers but we can't put Qaladam Tanzime on trial?